In the realm of DevOps, the design and implementation of appropriate metrics and queries are crucial for monitoring and improving operations. Metrics provide quantifiable measures that help teams understand performance, identify issues, and drive continuous improvement. Queries, on the other hand, allow teams to extract meaningful insights from data, enabling informed decision making. This presentation will delve into the various aspects of designing and implementing effective metrics and queries, ensuring that operations are optimized and aligned with business goals. Metrics are the backbone of any DevOps strategy. They provide visibility into the performance and health of applications and infrastructure. By tracking key performance indicators, KPIs, teams can identify bottlenecks, measure the impact of changes, and ensure that service level agreements, SLAs, are met. Metrics also facilitate communication between teams, providing a common language to discuss performance and areas for improvement. Without metrics, it would be challenging to gauge the success of DevOps initiatives or to drive continuous improvement. There are several types of metrics that are essential for DevOps operations. These include performance metrics, e.g., response time, throughput, reliability metrics, e.g., uptime, mean time to recovery, and process metrics, e.g., deployment frequency, lead time for changes. Each type of metric provides insights into different aspects of the system, helping teams to identify and address specific issues. By tracking a combination of these metrics, teams can gain a comprehensive understanding of their operations and make data-driven decisions. Designing effective metrics involves selecting the right KPIs that align with business goals and provide actionable insights. It's important to involve stakeholders in the process to ensure that the metrics are relevant and meaningful. Metrics should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART. Additionally, it's crucial to avoid vanity metrics that do not provide real value. Instead, focus on metrics that drive improvement and help achieve strategic objectives. Regularly reviewing and refining metrics is also essential to ensure they remain aligned with evolving business needs. Implementing metrics in DevOps requires the use of monitoring tools and platforms that can collect, store, and analyze data. Tools like Azure Monitor, Prometheus, and Grafana are commonly used for this purpose. These tools provide dashboards and alerts that help teams stay informed about the state of their systems. It's important to integrate these tools with the CI/CD pipeline to ensure that metrics are continuously collected and analyzed. Automation plays a key role in this process, enabling teams to focus on addressing issues rather than manually collecting data. Queries are essential for extracting meaningful insights from the vast amounts of data generated by DevOps operations. They allow teams to filter, aggregate, and analyze data to identify trends, anomalies, and areas for improvement. Queries can be used to generate reports, create dashboards, and trigger alerts. By leveraging queries, teams can gain a deeper understanding of their systems and make informed decisions. This section will explore the different types of queries and how they can be used to enhance DevOps operations. There are several types of queries that are commonly used in DevOps. These include time series queries, which analyze data over a specific period, aggregation queries, which summarize data to provide high-level insights, and filtering queries, which isolate specific data points based on certain criteria. Each type of query serves a different purpose and can be used to address specific questions or issues. By combining different types of queries, teams can gain a comprehensive understanding of their data and uncover valuable insights. Designing effective queries involves understanding the data and the questions that need to be answered. It's important to define clear objectives for each query and to ensure that the queries are optimized for performance. This may involve indexing data, using appropriate data types, and minimizing the use of complex operations. Additionally, it's crucial to validate the results of queries to ensure accuracy. By following best practices for query design, teams can ensure that their queries provide reliable and actionable insights. Implementing queries in DevOps involves using tools and platforms that support query execution and analysis. Tools like Azure Log Analytics, Elasticsearch, and Splunk are commonly used for this purpose. These tools provide powerful query languages and interfaces that make it easy to create, execute, and visualize queries. It's important to integrate these tools with the monitoring and alerting systems to ensure that queries are continuously executed and that insights are promptly acted upon. Automation can also play a key role in this process, enabling teams to focus on interpreting results rather than manually running queries. Integrating metrics and queries is essential for a holistic approach to DevOps monitoring and analysis. Metrics provide the raw data that queries analyze to generate insights. By combining these two elements, teams can create powerful dashboards and reports that provide a comprehensive view of their operations. This integration also enables proactive monitoring, where queries can trigger alerts based on specific metric thresholds. By leveraging the synergy between metrics and queries, teams can enhance their ability to identify and address issues, driving continuous improvement. To illustrate the concepts discussed, let's look at a case study of a company that successfully implemented metrics and queries in their DevOps operations. The company faced challenges with slow deployment times and frequent outages. By designing and implementing appropriate metrics, they were able to identify bottlenecks in their CI/CD pipeline and measure the impact of changes. They also used queries to analyze log data and identify the root causes of outages. As a result, they were able to reduce deployment times by 50% and improve system reliability, demonstrating the value of metrics and queries in driving operational excellence. Based on the case study and industry experience, several best practices and lessons learned can be identified. First, it's important to involve stakeholders in the design of metrics and queries to ensure relevance and buy-in. Second, automation is key to ensuring continuous monitoring and analysis. Third, regular review and refinement of metrics and queries are essential to keep them aligned with evolving business needs. Finally, it's crucial to focus on actionable insights rather than vanity metrics. By following these best practices, teams can maximize the value of their metrics and queries and drive continuous improvement. In conclusion, the design and implementation of appropriate metrics and queries are critical for optimizing DevOps operations. Metrics provide visibility into performance and health, while queries enable teams to extract meaningful insights from data. By integrating these elements and following best practices, teams can drive continuous improvement and achieve their strategic objectives. The next steps involve selecting the right tools, involving stakeholders in the design process, and continuously refining metrics and queries to ensure they remain relevant and actionable. By doing so, teams can enhance their ability to monitor, analyze, and improve their operations.